Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to align text to the center in the Google Docs app. But for that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First you have to open up the Google Docs app. Here it opens up in Drive files. From here we just have to select the document that we want to edit. Then here we have to tap on the pencil icon in the bottom right corner. And here we actually have two options. We can either go in the top row and tap on the letter A, then tap on paragraph, and then tap on this center thing here. And then our text is going to be aligned to the center like this. Or we can go here in the quick row and just select this like this, and then the same thing is going to happen. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.